Hey guys, tell me what y'all think about this. I was watching, unfortunately, the whole surviving R. Kelly case on YouTube, not YouTube, Streamio, and it's just so interesting how this demon of a man was able to create this career where he basically told his life, all of the ill, sickening things that he had been doing to all of these girls. He's been singing about them, masked by the artistry of his music. And it got me to thinking how many broken people are actually in the entertainment industry. One of the things I've said to people in the past, you see me as an entertainer, but see me for what it is, you know what I mean? There's a lot of skeletons in a lot of people's closets, and there's one thing I can say for certain: your girl never drop her standards for nobody. And when people ask me why I bothered to get a degree because I'm so talented, it's because people like to hold hostage young beautiful women as though to say, okay, I'll give you this much, but if you want more, you're gonna have to let off something on me. And the something is, you ladies, you know what that means. And I don't bash anybody, I don't hate on anybody, but as a dancer, I've had my fair share of just unscrupulous characters, and that's never gonna stop. A, because a lot of women allow them to, and B, a lot of men allow them to, a lot of people in high society, because looking back at people like R. Kelly and Diddy and Epstein, all of those cases, they're all interlinked. They're all these broken people who have used, their brokenness to motivate them into what we see and call success. They're all supported by each other. There's this sick chain of just powerful, sickening men. And some people have been saying that everything is going to be revealed in time. I really do hope it is. I really hope that all these people who are trying to keep talented people keep their talents hostage unless you give them something in return. I hope that they are revealed, because people need to understand that there are good people out here. There are good people out here who are using their platform for good. Right? So a lot of young people, they can know that in order to be successful in a particular industry, you don't need to be doing certain things. And it just grosses me out when I hear artists now. It gives me a different sense of, shoot, these artists just keep singing about these over-sexualized. There's nothing wrong with singing about sex. There's nothing wrong with sex. But when you over-sexualize it to the point of it just seems like prostitution, you have to look at it and be like, what's happening here? You know what I mean? And even locally, we've had our share of, criminals singing about their criminal activity. Let me put on my hazard lights because I'm not racing on this road. Guys, if you ever see the road, I know Hurricane Helene is in the atmosphere. I'm in Jamaica currently. I saw some videos while I was at the gym just now of the hurricane just, ripping through, I'm not sure what country it was, but somewhere stateside. I have on my hazard lights, girl. I am driving so slowly, I don't even care. There's a long line behind me, but it's okay. Y'all gonna get home safe. Right? So anyway, people need to understand that sometimes you don't see smoke without fire. That's why I got my degree, so I can understand and educate myself, so I can build a skill, a career around myself and around my peoples. You understand? Women can be empowered by women, and I mean, it's not only women who get this type of degradation where you have to exchange sexual favors in order to get a career break. Men go through it as well, but men are cultured to not speak about some things, and it's very sad. It's dehumanizing for just both genders. But I think it's very important that these people are brought to the fore, and I'm so happy. As much as 50 Cent is a crazy, he's an a-hole, guys. He's a bully. But I'm very happy that he has a documentary ready to release, and I do hope that if he is supposed to be on that documentary, I hope he's on it as well, and he's not just doing this because you don't see smoke without fire now, guys. where you see one, there's going to be another one. And since them lock up R. Kelly, they lock up Bill Cosby, they lock up Diddy, they lock up Epstein, and there's going to be a lot more. And I you know, Cat Williams had said earlier on this year, or was it last year, that this is going to be the year of revelations. And I'm happy that it is, because a lot of people, they don't like to give. You see this social media thing? Trust me, man, the best thing that could happen to us is social media. The best thing that could happen to us entertainers who do not tend to go with certain things is social media, because nothing like social media to allow to push your talent. You understand? If you're entertaining, you're just entertaining. Yeah. But what is happening in front of me? Now this man is driving wicked slow. What's happening? Okay. I'm not in my drive too slow. Where the fuck I going? Guys, he's driving like a sub 20. The fuck? Sir, and I can't have an overtake. Guys, I don't like overtake on corner. You have to overtake on corner. What the fuck is this man doing? Anyway, I'll overtake him just now. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling on. But I just wanted to say, you know, when talk to your daughters, talk sense into them. Try to see if you can get them the mindset, not only your daughters, but you know, people who are like your daughter figures. Speak to you like your nieces, the young girls in your neighborhood. Let them know that they're loved. Let them know that, you know, there will be men who appear to be powerful, who appear to be successful, but you can build things on your own. And even if you're to find a man who wants to take care of you, okay, fine, but make sure it's not a thing where he's holding you hostage, he's locking you in a cage, he's pissing on you. This is not normal behavior of a man with an underage girl. Let them know. I thank God every day for my mother, you know, because God know, guys, I was growing up sheltered. I was not allowed to go to parties, but God know, when I look on them video, the little girl, them both them leave them mother house, forgot this big man birthday party and all kind of things. I'm just like, y'all are crazy AF. I don't know how y'all get down in the US, but in a Jamaica, I mean, them do it in a Jamaica. You have only a bad breed you have in a Jamaica, but no, sir. If I feel me, mama, but I bust my ass. You're crazy. Go which big man party? First of all, no big man cannot call my phone. No big man cannot call my blood clot phone. You're crazy. As me as a teenager. Me as a teenager, my mother would have never unlock me up in a hotel. Me blood clot. When my mother done burn that bomber clot down. Are you crazy? You're crazy. And then another thing too, you know, is that people frightened for celebrity. People frightened for celebrity. So no feel like no celebrities, no heroes, them can do no wrong. A lot of nastiness go on in the industry. When they did first convict him, brother, no, he did not do it. He did not do it. Leave him alone. You only want money. Look how much girls came forward. Black women came forward. And it's almost as to say the black woman's voice don't matter because as a God. Anyhow, those were white women. I love my white girls, love you all. But anyhow, those were white women. You best know them would have locked up for blood clot life long time ago. A long time ago, you would have locked up. I'm going to sing about Black Lives Matter. I don't know what it means. That's why sometimes I say black people jump up Black Lives Matter. I say, alright, y'all are seasonal. Black Lives Matter is a carnival for a lot of you. This man, wow. And you know, there's a different type of hell for the mothers who sell their daughters to these successful men. There's a different type of hell for you. Because if you can allow a man celebrity to make you prostitute, throw out your daughter. Anyway, I'm gonna go crazy in the comments then, because I this is what I want to talk about today on Friday.